Now that we have understand routes, let's move to the next topic, which is views. Views are responsible for displaying content to the user, and Laravel views are written using Blade, which is Laravel templating engine. The views are stored inside the resources views folder, and all the Blade file must end with .blade.php extension. Blade allow us to mix HTML with dynamic PHP logic in a clean way. Let's start by creating a view. So for this we have two options, two ways to create a view. First is we can go to resources, views, and in here we can right click and select new file. Then we can give it a name, for example about us dot blade dot php. This is the first method. Another way to create a view is opening the terminal, and in the terminal we can type php artisan make colon view. After that we have to give it the view name, for example contact us, then press enter, and it will generate a view for you inside the resources views folder. So these are the two ways that we can use to create a view. Now let's write an HTML content inside the context as page. So in here, let's type HTML, and inside the body, let's type h1 tag, and in here, let's say hello from view. Now let's close this, save everything. So we have wrote our HTML. Now it's time to display this to the user. So for that we have to go inside our routes web.php. Just like our demo route, we have to create a route for this to display our view to the user. So let's delete it and create our own route. So let's type route colon colon gate, give him a URL as contact slash us, then our callback function, and inside our callback function we will just type return view, then the name of the page that we want to return. So the name is contact us, and that's it. Now if we run, uh, let's run composer run deep and open this link. Now in here if we type contact us, hit enter, we will see our text in here. Now if our view is inside a subfolder, so in here we have our views folder, then inside this I will create a new folder with the name of products, then inside the product folder I will create a new view with the name of index.blade.php. Now let's create our products page and our h1 tag, then let's type products. So now let's see how we can show this file. So let's go back to our web.php, and in here let's create a new route with the URL of products, then our callback function, and inside here we will return our products page. For that we will call the view function, and first we will type our folder name, which is products. So let's type products, then dot index the name of the file. So first the folder name, then dot, and after that the file name. Now if we open our browser and instead of contact as we type products, enter, we will get this error because we forgot the semicolon at the end. Now let's save everything. Let's go back, and right now we got our products in here which we wrote inside the index.blade.php. So this is one way to return the view to the user. But in the routes, we have one more option. Since in both of these URL, we are directly returning the view to the user. So instead of writing our routes like this, we can simply write route colon colon view, then the URL. For example, let's call the URL products. After that, the view that we want to return. So our products dot index. So instead of writing this, we can simply write this to return the view directly from the route to the user. So right now we don't need this. If I comment this out, save everything and go back to my browser, refresh, I still got my products page. And even if I change anything in here, let's change something, product 1 2 3 4 5 6, something like this. Go back, refresh, I got my page. So if you are returning a view directly from the route, instead of writing this, you can simply return the view like this.